How do I use baking soda to clean my toilet?
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing an eco-friendly, efficient, and budget-friendly way of cleaning your toilet using an everyday household item, baking soda. Yes, you heard it right, baking soda. So, let's dive right in.
Why use baking soda?
Before we get started, you might be wondering, why use baking soda to clean the toilet? Baking soda is a great cleaning agent because it's a mild alkali and can cause dirt and grease to dissolve easily in water for effective removal. Plus, it's non-toxic and safe for your septic systems. Using baking soda for cleaning not only saves you money but also reduces the amount of harsh chemicals in your home.
What will you need?
First, let's gather the necessary materials. Here's what you will need. 1 cup of baking soda, a toilet brush, distilled white vinegar, optional, clean, dry cloth.
Steps to clean your toilet with baking soda.
Now that we have our materials ready, let's get down to the actual cleaning process. 1. Empty the toilet bowl. Start by flushing your toilet to wet the sides of the bowl. 2. Apply baking soda. Sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda evenly around the inside of the toilet bowl. Be sure to get the baking soda up under the rim, too. 3. Let it sit. Let the baking soda sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. During this time, the baking soda will start to break down the stains. 4. Scrub. After the waiting period, use your toilet brush to scrub the bowl. The baking soda acts as a mild abrasive that will help to remove the stains without scratching the surface. 5. Flush and rinse. After scrubbing, flush the toilet to rinse away the baking soda. 6. Optional deep clean. For a deep clean, after scrubbing with baking soda, you can add some vinegar to the toilet bowl and let it fizz for a few minutes, then scrub again and flush. The vinegar and baking soda together can help to break down any tough stains or mineral deposits. 7. Wipe down. Finally, use a clean, dry cloth to wipe down the toilet seat and handle. And that's it. With just baking soda and optionally vinegar, you have a clean, fresh-smelling toilet. This method is not only easy and cheap, but it's also safer for your family and the environment. We hope you find this method as effective as we do. Thanks for joining us, and happy cleaning!